Hey loves, it's your girl MissRessaT. It seems like forever I have sat down and done a video like this with you guys, especially about natural hair, okay? Clearly, for this year, I have been kind of slacking on doing natural hair videos. I really wanted to protect my hair and not really deal with it, so that's really what I've been doing. This is my latest protective style here. This is Bohemian Curl style hair in the color 2, and I just have it sewn in, and I'm loving it, you guys. But the end of the year is coming. Why did I say that butt so loud? The end of the year is coming, and I wanted to share with you guys my top natural hair products for 2016, you guys. I'm looking forward to 2017 to see what I'm going to do next with my hair. I have some ideas. I'm thinking what I want to do, but I can't wait to share it with you guys. Before I get started and show you my top 5 natural hair products of 2016, make sure you have subscribed to this channel so you do not miss any uploads. Check the notification bell so you can get notifications when I first post a video. Make sure you thumbs up this video, share it with others, and comment down below your top 5, okay? If you can narrow it down to 5. It was kind of easy for me this year because I really didn't experiment much. I just kind of stuck with what I know. I do have a few new products that I didn't have last year, but overall, once I found those, I stuck with them the whole year. So let's get started. This is in no particular order. I'm going to say no particular order, but I will say this is number 1, okay? Now, this is no stranger to my channel here. This is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen, Restore, Grow and Restore Treatment Mask with shea butter, peppermint, and keratin. Like, how many times have I mentioned this freaking product? This one's empty, you guys. This is my one from my last empty videos. I actually forgot to throw that stuff out. That's kind of just gross, but I forgot to throw it out. But I was glad because I had be able to show you one here on this video. You guys, I really love this product. Like, I really need to stack back up on these. I was going to get stacked back up on Black Friday, but Shea Moisture only did like a 30% off sale. And I just felt like they could have went a little harder, in my personal opinion. But this is still bae. I will be replacing this. I promise you I will be replacing this. This is awesome if you have natural, chemically processed, color treated, or heat style hair. I recommend this to everybody. Anytime somebody asks me about deep conditioner, I always tell you this. You don't have to be natural to use Shea Moisture products. They are really awesome, you guys. And if you your hair loves thick products, it's really going to like that one. And it has the peppermint and the keratin, so it gives you a light protein treatment. And then the peppermint gives you that tingle. Everything, okay? Number 2 would be my Dollar Tree conditioner. Yes, you guys. This is definitely on the top 5. This brand is called Spa House. Mind and Body Naturally Hydrating Argan Oil and Cocoa Butter Conditioner. This is awesome, and it's $1. And it's not that it's just $1, because if it's $1 and it doesn't work, I'm going to move on to something else. My hair loves this. My hair loves this conditioner. Slip is awesome. Check out, I'm going to link a video because I think I've used this conditioner in like every video, natural hair video I've done. So I'll link one in the iCard so you guys can see that. See the slip on it. Try it out, you guys. Don't be so anal, okay? Don't be so anal. The ingredients ain't perfect, but it freaking works. And like I said, my hair loves it. And you just got to see what your hair loves, okay? Next, this is also from Shea Moisture. This is the Shea Moisture Ray. I cannot talk tonight, y'all. And I'm kind of stopped up, so I apologize. Raw Shea Butter Restorative Conditioner with kelp, and argan oil. Okay, I'm getting on my own nerves. I'm sorry, you guys. And this says it's for dry, damaged hair, heal, grow, and strengthen. And I use this as a leave-in conditioner, so that's why this is my wash conditioner. I use this for co-washing, and I use this as my leave-in, you guys. This product is awesome. I'm like down here. I really need to go shopping on Shea Moisture, like for real, for real. It is awesome. It is perfect. Like for a co-wash, I do not like it, but for a leave-in, it is thick. It lasts. It keeps my hair moisturized. It works perfect with the rest of my other products in the lock method. I really do really like this product. Only thing I don't really like is the pump, because every one I buy, the pump doesn't seem to work. But girl, I unscrew that thing and I take it straight off there like that. I really do, because I be trying to get every bit of this because I really do love that product and my hair loves that product, okay? Next product. I'm not really a person to have a favorite styling product, but this really won me over this year. And yeah, this is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil. Cream of Nature with Argan Oil from Moroccan, put in perfection. You guys, this right here, ooh, country. It says for curls, coils, and kinks. No frizz, no shrinkage, no dryness. Y'all, this product works. Like, this product keeps my hair so freaking moisturized. Like, this is what I put on my hair. Like, if I'm going to plop my wig on, I'll twist my hair with this after I done my lock method, because it lasts, y'all. Like, it seriously lasts. It is like a thick, it got all kind of hairs and stuff in it, y'all. I legit use it. Excuse how the packaging look. I do not go anywhere without this product, because this is just go-to. Like, if I feel like my hair needs a nice little boost of moisture, I will pull out this product. So it stays in my car, so it kind of got melted during the summertime. So that's why it looks like this. Only downfall about this product is that the fragrance is so freaking strong. I did do a review on this whole line. I'll link that in the iCard. And I enjoyed pretty much the whole line. This is my favorite product in the line. I have not tried the shampoo though. Awesome, like really awesome, and still in that moisture, and it gives you a nice little hold for a style. It really does, and it works with me if I want to mix it with Eco Styler to give it a more of a hold. But I really do like this product. I highly recommend it. Yeah, just tone down the fragrance though. Lord Jesus. My last products in my top 5, okay? It's actually 3 products, but I'm really shouting out the whole line, you guys. This black ORS olive oil line, okay? I did a review on this whole line when I got these products. I'll link that in the iCard for you to check it out. Long story short, this line is freaking awesome. I am already out of the leave-in. That was from my empties, this leave-in. And I don't even believe in liquid leave-ins. Like, that may sound stupid, but I don't really believe it. I like my thick leave-in. I like my cream. But this product right here, like, it really just changed my whole outlook on using a liquid leave-in. I feel like it is awesome. It does a great job with shine. It does a great job at sealing in the moisture. Everything that these 7 benefits said it does. Only thing I didn't test out was the thermal protection. The whole line is supposed to help with thermal protection. I did not straighten my hair in 2016. I do think I'm going to do it in 2017. Well, I did straighten. I lied. I straightened it in February on my anniversary, so I can give myself a cut. But I did not have these products then. This sulfate-free shampoo, I speak so highly of this because my hair is not a big fan of all natural shampoos. Like, I don't know why. Like, sulfate-free shampoos or any type of shampoo, like, all the Shea Moisture shampoos, my hair do not like, and it's crazy. But my hair really does love this shampoo, and the MissRessaT conditioner is great, you guys. So those are my top 5 natural hair products of 2016. They definitely will be going in 2017 with me. I can't wait to try out new products for you guys. I can't wait to read your comments and see what products you love, because I'm always on the hunt, because clearly I'm on E for a lot of stuff, so it's definitely time to go shopping. So definitely I can't wait to see what you guys put down there. I will be doing, you're probably going to see this outfit and look again, because I'm going to do a top 5 beauty of products of 2016. If there's any other top 5s that you guys want me to do, leave it down below in the comments so I can knock those out for you before the New Year's come. And catch me in my next video, you guys. Make sure you subscribe, and I love you so much. It's me, your girl, MissRessaT. Don't forget to live, learn, record, and share, y'all. Smooches.